Hello, everyone. My name is Vivek Poral Chetri, and today me and my friend Vivek Rikari is working on asset news and presentation. So today we are choosing an interesting and appealing topic which many people might not be familiar with. So our topic going to be blockchain. Blockchain is nothing much than a distributed database or ledger set among a computer's nodes. They are best known for their important crucial role in the cryptocurrency systems for maintaining a secure and decentralized record of transactions, but they are not limited to the cryptocurrency uses, as they are securely linked through the cryptographic hashes. Presentation, we're going to be dealing with what is a blockchain, like its introductions, and about the history of the blockchain, the components of the blockchain, and how a blockchain works, the different types of the blockchain, the advantages of the blockchain, and as well as the disadvantages of it. First topic, what is a blockchain? So blockchain is basically a type of distributed ledger technology, DLT, in which transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. In a simple word, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that it makes difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat with the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. And each blockchain interchange contains several transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. And the decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as DLT. So let's see a small overview of why blockchain is being called as a distributed ledger. Since we can clearly see that in the centralized ledger, the database is being controlled by a central and a trusted third party, while in case of distributed ledger or blockchain, each participant has a copy of a database ensuring its immutability. Now let's look at the history of the blockchain technology. So cryptographer David Kaum first proposed a blockchain-like protocol in his 1982 dissertation, "Computer Systems Established, Maintained and Trusted by Mutually Suspicious Groups." Further work on a cryptographically secure chain of blocks was described in 1991 by Stuart Haver and William Scott Stornetta. So Nakamoto improved the design in an important way, using a Hashcash-like method to time-stack blocks without requiring them to be signed by a trusted party, and introducing a difficulty parameter to stabilize the rate at which blocks are added to the chain. The words block and chain were used separately in Satoshi Nakamoto's original paper, but were eventually popularized as a single word, blockchain.
There are three components of blockchain. They are cryptographic key, census protocol, and distributed network. Cryptographic key is used to uphold security in blockchain, whereas census protocol is method employed by blockchain network to reach an agreement on authenticity of transaction, whereas distributed network is just a simple node. Now let's talk about how a blockchain works. In a blockchain, someone requests a transaction. That transaction is broadcasted to peer-to-peer network, where the transaction verifies. After the verified transaction is combined with other to create a new block. The new block is then added to existing blockchain, resulting a complete transaction.
Blockchain. Public blockchain. A public blockchain is permissionless in nature, allows anyone to join, and is completely decentralized. Whereas in private blockchain, it is also is referred to as managed blockchain, but is permission blockchain controlled by a single organization. Another one is consortium blockchain. A consortium blockchain is permission blockchain governed by a group of organizations rather than the one identity, while the hybrid blockchain is a blockchain that is being controlled by a single organization but with a level of oversight performed by the blockchain. Now let's talk about the benefits of the blockchain technology. Now in this topic I'm going to discuss about 5 benefits of it. A digital ledger that keeps a record of all transactions taking place on a peer-to-peer network. All information transferred via blockchain is encrypted and every occurrence recorded, meaning it cannot be altered. It is a decentralized network, so there is no need for any central centrifying the authority. It can be used for much more than the transfer of currency, contracts, records, and other kinds of data can also be shared. Encrypted information can be shared across multiple providers without the risks of a privacy breach. However, there are few demerits of public blockchains, which includes privacy, power consumption, storage constraints, smart contracts, and scalability.
Thank you.